Corn is a tender, warm-season annual crop that produces ears of yellow, white, or bicolored kernels. Corn needs a spot that gets full sun and has fertile, well-drained soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7. Gives the tropics an advantage of growing corn all year round, except in December. Corn plant needs a temperature of between 15 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius to grow into a healthy plant. Corn is highly susceptible to frost and will not germinate properly in the cold weather. Therefore it is best to plant it 2 to 3 weeks after the last frost of spring. Germination rates and yields tend to be highest when corn gets planted between April 20th and May 10th. Plant corn seeds 1.5 to 2 inches deep, giving a space of 8 to 12 inches apart for each seed in a row. Ensure the rows are 24 inches apart. Just mix in aged compost prior planting to improve native soil conditions. Its root system is generally shallow, so the plant prone to be uprooted by severe winds. To keep stalks standing straight during high winds, mound soil around the base of 12-inch tall plants. Weeds can have a hugely damaging effect, particularly on young crops. Be careful not to damage corn's roots when weeding around the plants. Corn grows fast and needs lots of water to grow properly, but not too much. Water your corn once or twice weekly, more if the weather is hot and dry. The right fertilizer helps ensure corn plants get the nutrients they need to thrive. Be sure to follow rates given on the label of any fertilizer you are using. The corn plant is often 6 to 10 feet in height. Traditionally, the corn crop pollinated itself through the wind, where the pollen from one plant was released to pollinate the flowers of surrounding plants. Most corn plants will yield at least 2 ears per stalk. When 2 ears grow on a stalk, the upper ear matures 1 to 2 days before the lower one. Corn takes 60 to 100 days to reach maturity. Harvest time is usually from late summer to early fall. It's time to harvest field corn when the kernels are nearly fully dried out. If you have a large field, a combine can make quick work of the harvesting process. Harvest corn when the ear feels plump and the silks are brown and dry. Threshing is the process of removing the kernels from the cob. A good commercial grain yield in an irrigated field is between 6 to 9 tons per hectare. Corn is a staple crop around the world. Corn is a facultative, short-day plant